Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
So in today's video, I have a Aliexpress haul for you guys, and this has been a cumulative haul over the past few months that I've been buying things, and I decided to kind of put it all together and film this video. Finally, I can finally use these pieces because I haven't done like a full huge Aliexpress haul I think since last year. I've been trying to be really good, so I did purchase these items over the past like 3 to 4 months, I want to say, and one of them is a sweater, so it's actually like the perfect time to film this video because now I can actually wear it since it's so cold outside. Before we get into the video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into this haul. Speaking of the sweater, we're gonna start off with the sweater. So I got this sweater right here. Aliexpress has some really nice clothing items. They are really affordable, and they do have other pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys in a future video. So I'm actually going to be doing a collab with Aliexpress really soon, and I'm going to be showing you guys more clothing items in that video. But basically, I do really like their clothing pieces. They're so different and unique. And this right here is a Dunkin Donuts sweater. We don't have Dunkin Donuts here where I live. I live in Canada, and I think there's only maybe 2 or 3 Dunkin Donuts locations here, but I absolutely love Dunkin Donuts. So if I'm ever in the States or if I'm in a country that has it, I will definitely go there. So this is what the sweater looks like. I think it's just so cute. I have a pink one that's very similar to this, but I also just really wanted it in white. It is so cute, you guys. This I think I got in a size large. There is no tags half the time on their clothing. On here it says medium, so I got this in a size medium, and it I think is pretty true to size. It's almost like oversized. It is a pretty big hoodie, so it's not going to be tight at all on me, and normally I buy my stuff in a size small. I just sized up for this. And if you guys are familiar with Charli D'Amelio, she does merch, and this is one of the designs of her merch. I don't actually watch her videos, so I don't know really who she is. When I did find this on Aliexpress, it'd say Dunkin Donuts Charli D'Amelio sweater. So yeah, that's that. I have a bunch of car accessories in this video because I do want to kind of not customize my car, what is it called, like decorate my car a bit, because honestly I'm not in love with my car anymore as I used to be. I want a new car so bad. I've had my car for like 11 years now, so I just want to kind of spice it up a little bit and just like add some car decor. So this first thing, as you guys may or may not know, I am obsessed with capybaras. I literally went to a zoo in Japan just to see capybaras. So I basically got this capybara for my car. It's so cute. Okay, so if you guys watched my Temu haul, I have a big version of this. It's on my bed right now, but it is a bigger version of this. This is just a tiny one. It's like a baby capybara. How cute is that? It is so soft too. You are getting really good quality on Aliexpress. It's very similar to something you would find at Minnie, and it has this little turtle backpack on its back. How cute is that? I really want to put this in my car. I got this like 2 months ago, and like I said, I've been waiting to accumulate things so I could film this video. But basically this goes on your e-brake. So on your e-brake, it does have these arms that clip. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there is like a clippy mechanism in the arms and on the back legs. The back legs also clip around. So this is for your e-brake in your car, and it's just so cute. I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this in my car. This next thing I have not even opened out of its packaging, so we're gonna do that together today. This box is hella crushed, but I think I remember what this is. I think that this is for the gear shifter. No, this is actually for the e-brake as well. So the Capybara is just gonna go at the end, and then this is like the front part of the e-brake. This is so pretty. So I will be doing a full car decor tour really soon. I would like to do that before winter because that's not gonna be fun if it's like -20 and I'm trying to film a car tour. But this basically just goes on your e-brake. And I got a bunch of stuff from Temu as well. Like I got a sunglasses holder, and I got one of these things for the back of my seat to store like a water bottle in or something. So all of my stuff is in the same kind of like rhinestone detailing. I have seatbelt covers as well in my car already that have this detailing on it. So yeah, my car is just gonna be all bling blinged up. Next thing, I got a badge reel for work. This is so cute, you guys. I already have one of these. I think I've shown it to you guys in the past as well, but I did repurchase it. And this thing actually got lost in the mail, but it still arrived to me, which is insane. It got lost by this courier company, and they kept trying to call me and tell me that my address wasn't complete or they couldn't deliver it for some reason, but it was like this Apple courier company, and they found my item. They called me and they're like, can we confirm that this is your address? And then they finally delivered it, but it was super late. Like this took a very long time to get to me, but it is so pretty. I had one of these in the past that broke because I just pulled this too many times. You basically attach your work ID to this thing right here, and then you can like swipe in and swipe out or whatever. So that's that. I think it's so cute. It's very, very me. This is in no particular order at all because like honestly I'm showing you guys car stuff, work stuff, clothing, just like everything. These I got for my cup holders, and these are basically coasters and they light up. So I think when you put like pressure on here, you guys can hear that clicking noise. If you put like a cup on top of here, these automatically light up. And I've always wanted a light up coaster thing for my car, so I finally just decided to pick these up. I have Bling Bling ones in my car right now that I've had in there for a couple years now, and they keep my cup holders really like clean. Any type of liquid cup holders can get really gross, okay? So my coasters have kept them pretty immaculate. I just have to clean the coasters once in a while, which is fine, but I basically have to charge these. They charge via Type-C cable, it looks like. But yeah, these light up. They look like stars and stuff when you light them up. So I also think that you can change them into different colors. So yeah, I'm very excited to finally put these in my car. I'll probably put the rhinestone ones in my back seat, but that's that. Next up is a pair of earrings, and I saw these and I had to get them. Aliexpress has really, really cute earrings, and I feel like with my YouTube videos and stuff like that, I feel like I've worn every single pair of earrings that I own, because I think earrings is one of the things that I definitely like to accessorize in my videos. I always wear like a different pair of earrings. Usually I have these like candy jar ones in right now, but yeah, I like to wear different earrings whenever I'm filming and that sort of thing. So I picked these up because I thought they were so cute. Aliexpress is not only a great place to get earrings and stuff, but it is very affordable too. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I didn't take them out of the packaging yet. So these are like little margaritas. They remind me of like a tropical vacation or something. And if you know me, you know that I love my food accessories. I have strawberry nails right now, by the way, you guys. So I really like anything with food on it, or fruit, or you know, overall just like food. So these are very, very me, and they are so cute. So I can't wait to wear these. Okay, next up I got another badge reel, because you know, you can never have too many of these. Like I said, mine broke and I only had like one backup, and I've been using that backup ever since. So this one right here is a Starbucks cup, and it is so cute. I actually want to use this right now. I think it's so cute. So anyways, yeah, they have tons of these on AliExpress. So if you do work in the healthcare field or something, you can definitely find really cute ones there. So this one says coffee, scrubs, and rubber gloves. And it is a blinged, you know, super glittery Starbucks cup. How cute is that? The next thing I picked up is an AirPods case, and I cannot for the life of me remember if I've shown this already. I might even do like a full like AirPods case haul video, because I really want some more. I don't need anymore, but there is a ton of cute ones on Ali and they are really affordable. So this one right here is a McDonald's hash brown. Very cute, and I love McDonald's hash browns. They are my favorite out of any fast food place. So the only thing about this is it's completely white on the back, and these get dirty so fast at the bottom of your purse. So yeah. Next thing, I actually really need to haul this because I need to put this on ASAP. This is for my watch. I got another watch band. The one I have currently, it's not broken or anything, but it's kind of, you know, worn in different places and stuff like that. If you can see the metal part, where it buckles, it's missing a little bit of paint right there. Like, I just need a new one. So I have a Garmin Phoenix 6X Pro Sapphire, if you guys are wondering. I always get black, but this time around I got purple because I just wanted it to be a little bit different and a little bit more me. This is what the strap looks like. It comes in 2 pieces like this. You can find Fitbit straps as well, Apple Watch bands, Samsung watch bands. They have a lot of choices on Ali, and this is the quick fit one. So you basically snap the one that you have off and then snap these in. So yeah, cannot wait to put this on my watch. I can't wait to have a purple watch band. Next up, more car accessories. I think that this is my very last car accessory in this video, and then I only have like a couple stationery items to show you. Like I said, this isn't a huge AliExpress haul, but it is stuff I've accumulated in the past 3 to 4 months, which is crazy because usually I would think that there would be more items. I'm missing 2 pairs of earrings that I bought for this video as well because I've either put them away or I can't find them. They're really tiny earrings as well, so I'm really just hoping I put them away and I just can't find them. This next piece, I honestly don't know what these are called, but I will take them out. They come in this packaging right here. These are for your tires. I think that these are valve stem covers, if I had to guess what they're called. These basically go on your, like where you put the air in your tires. They just cover that part, and they look like this. They match my car perfectly, but they're bling blinged up and they're rhinestoned up, and they're just so pretty. And honestly, this is like the easiest way to accessorize your car, just getting things like small things like this that are cute. The only thing is that I work in downtown and I don't know how long these are gonna be on my car for. I'm just gonna put it like that. I don't know how long these are gonna be on my car for because there's a lot of people that are homeless and they like to steal certain things, whatever they can find. And I feel like this is something that is very, very easy to steal. But these were only like $3 for a set of 4. So I'm not too worried if they get stolen, but I'll be really sad. But yeah, that's that. Then last but not least, I have a couple more stationery pieces for you guys today. I don't know if I've shown this, like I said, I don't know if I've shown this in a previous AliExpress haul and I forgot to put them away, but they were sitting in a bag with all of my AliExpress stuff. I got these Capybara sticky notes, and you always need sticky notes, just, you know, even if it's like a reminder note that I need to write myself, like if I have an appointment and don't put it in my calendar, or like just a reminder to do certain tasks and stuff, I'll just write it on these sticky notes, and it's just so cute. It's a capybara with some oranges. How adorable is that? And I got a capybara set of stickers right here. And this is for my LV agenda. I haven't been using that as much as I want to lately. So I need to get back into just organizing my life again, writing things down, writing appointments down, writing hikes down, writing like my plans and stuff like that. And I like to decorate it with stickers like this. So that is all for this video. So I will be doing my AliExpress collab really soon on my channel. So if you guys are interested in these types of videos, you love AliExpress finds and all of that, stay tuned for more and definitely subscribe. So that is all for this one. I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you deeper than